What's happening YouTube, your boy Tech TRX back in our video, and today we're looking at the high-speed hand dryer by Nyuair. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you can notify when next videos to come, tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. Check out merch below at fibcedmonton.ca. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you how well this thing does. Now, for example, you're at home and you don't want to touch anything, you want to keep your hands all sanitized because of what's going on right now. If you're a germaphobe, this is probably the one for you so that you're not wasting paper towel as well. This product is fairly new. They're on Kickstarter, so go ahead and check that out. They claim as well that they are one of the smallest hand dryer out there, which I might agree actually, because there's a lot of hand dryers out there that are fairly bulky and fairly expensive as well. It goes up to like $1,000 or whatever. But here you can pledge into I think it's 110 minimum, which is pretty good. This is the basic, and then it goes up from there if you want to have premium packs. They also have different designs on the released products, which is nice as well. There's a pretty powerful motor, which is 108,000 RPM high-speed motor inside. It also has a UV self-cleaning, which is pretty good if you are worried about this being dirty over time. Let's open this up and see what it could do. Here we go. Let's take off the top there. Some boxes there. Also the actual device right here. No more in there. Pretty good. Power cord over here. There you go. Boom. Very nice. Put those on the side for now. Let's see what's in this thing right here. Go. Some mounting brackets there, screws and whatnot, and the actual base right there. Pretty good. So there you go. This is the Nyuair right here, and what you see here. Start it off for now. It's pretty good there. On the top here, so you can see, you can pull this out. There you go. On the back there is a magnet, so it's okay if you can take it off, because that's what it's for, so that you can clean the filter out. So it does have a washable filter there, which is pretty good. There you go. And then to put it back on is real easy. Just do that and it gets magnetized. Pretty nice. So yeah, to activate it, just turn the power on right there, and then just wave your hand right by the sensor there and it will turn on. Pretty good. Now let's test it out. With water. Go ahead and wash your hands. There you go. Normally what you would do is just get your hands on there. Clean your hands thoroughly, right? Clean it on the side, the back. There you go. Now normally, once you finish washing your hands, what do? What do you do to dry your hands? What you do is you put it on your sides, on your clothes or something like that. Or maybe you grab a paper towel or toilet paper or something like that. Now you're wasting trees. Now you are getting your hands contaminated from all the stuff that all the germs around your pockets and whatnot. So what's the point of washing your hands? Now you can just go to Nyuair and wave your hand right here, and then you'll be able to dry your hands. There you go. And there you go, my hands are dry and I didn't touch anything, which is pretty good. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new hand dryer. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below as well. So go ahead and grab yourself one. Make sure to hit the like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.